Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with ninth class maths, statistics, and in this statistics, this is exercise 9.1, exercise 9.1. This is fourth sum. Three sums I have already done children earlier. Now fourth sum. It is, let me read the sum now. The sum here is a TV channel organized a SMS poll on prohibition on smoking, giving options like A. Complete prohibition, B. Prohibition in public places only, and C. Not necessary. Like this, they have given the uh, indications A, B, C options. So in this, the people have to send SMS whether it is A or B or C, whatever they like. And the SMS results are there. It is as it is what they have given in the textbook. I have written it, children. So basing on this, you need to find out uh, represent the above data as a grouped frequency distribution table. How many appreciate answers? How many appreciate answers were received, and what was the major people's opinion? How many answers were received, and what were the opinion? So let us see about that, children. So let me continue. So what all you have got? You have got SMS, and let me write a little bit here. So first SMS, then let me write a tally mark and number of SMS. How many number are there that we are going to express? After writing the tally marks, you can find out how many are which type. What are the SMS that you have got? A, B, and C. These are the three types of SMS. People may opt for A, or they may opt for B, or they may opt for C. So these are all the options that they have received. So let me write the tally marks. A. This is B. A. B. C. B. A. B. Again B. A. C. C. B. B. A. B. B. A. B. C. B. A. B. C. B. A. B. B. A. B. B. C. B. A. B. A. B. C. B. Again B. A. B. C. B. B. A. B. B. A. B. B. A. B. C. B, A, B, B, A, B, C, A, B, B, A. So all these values we have written as tally marks. Now let us count how many are there. A, how many? 5, 5, 5, 15, 4, 19. Number of SMS of A type 19. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 5s are 35 plus 1, 36. And this is 10. Now, the question here is represent data as a grouped frequency table. How many appreciate answers were received? How many received? Total, the number of values that are received, already this table will let you know, children. We have received A 19, B 36 and C 10. So how many received? That answer you will be getting in the table itself. This is the table. So in this table itself, you can identify how many number of SMS are received. So this is the table will give you the number of SMS of each type. Now the question is, another question is, what was the majority of people's opinion? Majority of people's opinion is what, children? Majority of people's opinion is B. What is that B? What does this implies? What is B says? Prohibition in public places. Prohibition in public places. So this is the solution of fourth sum, children. Please note it down. Now fifth problem, children. This fifth problem, they have given a graph. Represent the given data as frequency distribution table. Here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and on x-axis, they have given scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. So 5, 10, 15, 20, it is like this. And on y-axis, actually, 1 centimeter is one vehicle. What are the vehicles? Cycles, autos, bikes, and cars. Now you need to write the frequency distribution table. So let us see cars. So what is the measure of the cars? Up to what it has come? See 25, I wrote 25. So cars measures, number of vehicles are 25. Now bikes. Bikes, you have got approximately it is, bikes are 45. Bikes, they are 45. And autos, 30. The number of autos are 30 and the number of cycles are 40. So by saying the graph, you can write frequency distribution table in that way, children. Please note it down. Now, children, this is sixth problem. And in this sixth problem, you have got a graph given to you. In this graph on x-axis, these are the classes that they have given, and on y-axis the numbers they have given, number of students. First they are asking scale. So first bit is you have to write the scale. Scale is on x-axis. What are you getting? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 class. Okay. Second, third, first, second, third, fourth, like this. And On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. So this is the scale, first bit scale, and this is the solution for second bit. That is frequency distribution table. This is class and number of students. So what are the classes you are having? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth classes are there. Number of students. See, first class, 40 students are there. And second class, 55 students are there. Third class, 65 students are there. And fourth class, 50 students are there. And fifth class, 30 students are there. Sixth class, 15 students are there. This is the frequency distribution table for this problem, children. Sixth problem, please note it down. This is the problem given. I have written the values by observing the graphs. If you write like this will be easy for you to prepare frequency distribution table. Please note it down. Now the seventh problem is as follows, children. You have got the raw data. Marks of 30 students are given below. These are all 30 students' marks. You have to form frequency distribution table with equal class intervals, that is 0 to 10, so on, they said. So let us first find out what is the least and what is the highest value, so that you can identify up to what number you can write the values. So let me see here. What is the least value in this? On this line, as I told you, on the left side we will write this is 21, 29, that is, so 21 is the least value. And in this, what is the least value here? 17. 7 is the least value. And let us write highest value here. Here 50 is there. This is 50 and 52, 53, 57. So we'll be going for highest value 57 here. And here this is highest 59 is there. That's also 59. So we can talk about the range. So what is the range that we will be writing here, children? Range 59 minus 7, 52. This is the range. They have not asked, but if you write like this, you will understand where you can end up your table. So you can end up your table up to 60. The values table should contain 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Values we have written. Now let us write the tally marks. 42. 42 comes in this. 21 here. 50 here. 37 here. 42 here. 37 here. 38 also here. 42 here. 49 also here. 52 will come here. 38 will come here. 53 will come here. 57 also comes here. 47 here. 29 will be here. 59 here. 61, 33, 17, again 17, 39. 39 will be here. 44, 42, 39, 39 here, 14 here, 7 here, 27 here, 19 will come here, 54 here, 51 also here. So you have written tally marks. So frequency 1 here, 4 here, 3 here, 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 5, 3, 8. So 10, 10, 20, 21, 30. So totally, its total is 30. So what frequency distribution that you have written is perfectly right. So this is the frequency distribution table for the given sum, children. Please note it down. This is 7th sum. Now it's 8th problem, children. These are the data that is given to you. The problem is the electricity bills of 25 houses in a locality are given below. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table with a class size of 75. Class size is given to you. That means class interval they have given to us. So let us see what is given. This is the table. The table I have written means the raw data I have made 5555 as group, children, so that we can identify the least and the greatest value and find out what is the range. Let us see what is the range here. So in this line 170 is greatest, and in this line 320 smallest, 322 is the smallest, and here 192 is the smallest, and in this 370 is the smallest value, and in this line 317 is the smallest value, and greatest here the greatest is 310, here 712 is there, and here 412, and here 537, 24, and here this is 430. So out of this the smallest will be 170 and the greatest will be 724. So 724 minus 170 will give you the range. So 724 minus 170, you have 4 here, 5 here, 554 is the range. Actually, they didn't ask us the range, children, but when we come to know what is the lowest value and what is the greatest value, we will come to know with which number we can start our class interval. Now the class size is 75, they said. 75 means how will we start? 170 is the smallest one. 170 should be included in the first class. So well, let us write it as 100 to 175 is the first class interval. Next one 175. So 175, add one more 75, that is 10, 15, 250. So 175 to 250, then 252. Again 75. If you add, how much you are getting? 12, 325. 325 to, of course, 75, 400. 400 to 75, 475. 475 to 550. See, children, 475 and 75. This is 10, 15, 550. 550. So 550 to 75, 625. 625 275 is 700, and 700, 275, 775. What is our greatest value? Greatest value 724. So you can stop your size of the classes in this way. Class intervals can be ended here. So let me extend the table. So this is the table we are getting. Now let us go for the tally marks as we used to do. 170. 170 will come here. 212. 212 will be here. 252. 225. 310. And then 712. 712 will come here. 412 will be here. 425 will be here. 322 will be here. 325 here. And then 192 will be here. 198 also will be here. 230 will be here. 320 will be here. 412 will be here. 530 here. 602, this is here. 724 here. 370 will be here. 402 will be here. 317, 317 will come here. 403 will be here. 405 will be here. 372, 300, 372 will come here. 413, 413 will come here. That's all. These are the tally marks. So 625 to 700, you don't have any number, so it's a dash. Now 1, 5, 5, 3, 7, 1, 1, dash 2. So how many total? The electricity bill, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. Are we getting? Let us see. 10, 11, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So total is 25. So our frequency distribution is correct. So this is the total of our frequency distribution table, children. This is the table. I hope I am clear. If you find the range, you will understand how with which number we can start class interval, children. That is why I have written this. Okay, please copy it. Now this ninth problem, children. It's about a company manufactures car batteries and the life of car batteries. These are all given in years. The life is given in years. It's given to you 40 batteries. Now you need to find out a frequency distribution table here. Class interval of size 0.5. Size should be 0.5, they said, and starts from 2 to 2.5. So they have already given the first one, 2 to 2.5. So, but where should we end? Where should we end? That we will come to know only when you know the highest value. So let us see what is the highest value in this given data. See, this is here. The highest value is 4.5, and here highest value 4.6, and here highest value 4.4, and here highest value is 3.9, and in this highest value is 4.6. So after coming to know out of all this, what is the highest value, children? 4.6 is the highest value. So till you get this 4.6 or nearer to it, we need to continue. That is 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3, 3.0, 3.0 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5, highest is 4.6. So we have to go further for 4.5 to 5.0. So up to here, this is enough, children. So the table is up to here only. So 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5, 4.5 to 5. See, when you know the highest values, you will understand up to what the class interval should be written, where you should end the class interval. Now tally marks. 2.6 here, 3.0 here, 3.7 here, 3.2 here, 2.2 here, 4.1 here, 3.5 here, 4.5 here, 3.5 here, 2.3 here, 3.2 here, 3.4 here, 3.8 here, 3.2 here, 4.6 here, 3.7 here, then 2.5 will come here, 4.4 here, 3.4 here, 3.3 here, 2.9 here, 3 here, 4.3 here, 2.8 here, 3.5 here, 3.2 here, 3.9 here, 3.2 here, 3.2 again, 3.1 here, 3.7 here, 3.4 here, 4.6 here, 3.8 here, 3.2, 3.2 will be here, 2.6 here, 3.5 here, 4.2 here, 2.9 here, 3.6 here. So we have finished our tally marks. So 2 here, 5 plus 1, 6, 5, 5, 10, 14, 10, 11, 4 here and 3 here. So total, how many you need to get? We need to get 40 batteries. See children, 6 for 10, 12, 13, 17, 17, 3, 20. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 40. So you have got a total as 40. So your table is right. This is the way in which you have to prepare the frequency distribution table, children. This is the table, frequency distribution table. So I hope I am clear to your children. Only when you know this, here only highest I have taken, I have not taken lowest because already they have given class first class interval 2 to 2 to 2.5, so we need not bother about the lowest value, but we need to find highest value because up to where you need to conclude your class intervals. Otherwise you keep on writing. So if you write this, it will give you a clear-cut idea about where you can stop your class interval. I hope I am clear, children. Please copy this.